Okay, I got my light back over there, my construction light, and now I can see a little bit better. You can see where the rat had a little bit of nesting going on there. See how he pulled back all the insulation. That insulation should be about 5.5 inches thick. There's nothing in there, is there? And you see where the duct goes here, and it goes in over there. See where that 2x4 is going across this way? It goes all the way across. That's the ceiling of the bathroom. And then here's the wall cavity. You can see a little bit easier now. See, there's a piece of plywood up above it to cap that off for draft stop. And then there's a channel there, and then the next bathroom is over that way. I talked to Momi, and she's okay with me not doing anything except cleaning the exhaust fan, putting it back up in that second bathroom. I told her, worst case scenario, if anything ever happens later on down the road, I'll have to get up through that other crawl hole and crawl on my belly and do all that kind of stuff. And so how to access this? See these 2x6s are in my way. Unfortunately, there's a 2x4 right there. I was hoping that wasn't going to be there. And I have to look at that more closely once I pull the insulation out. But there's a 2x4 there, and then you can see that one back in there, see? And so I don't have much access to get to that exhaust fan, do I? I don't make things, and every house is different. And see, they even had to mash the ductwork right there against the wall to fish it in there. I mean, they could have taken one of these 2x4s and moved it, only put one 2x6 there, and done something, notched the side of that out at an angle so that they could get the full thing. Because this exhaust vent, you're not getting the full area of it once you mash it down. And I'm seeing back in there they've kind of mashed that down a little bit too. So see, I can't do anything. I want to put this strap back up here, and what I'm thinking of later on down the road, see, I'm already thinking about this whole thing. When I take that plywood, I took the plywood and put it over there. I put this plywood back up. I think I'm going to put it up with screws. That way, if I ever have to take it back down, I will. And even on this, I'll put screws in here instead of nails. Okay, I'll use like 2.5-inch long screws or something. You're not really supposed to do that. You're supposed to use nails. But at this point, that way if I ever have to take it down again, I figured that's stronger than cutting out an inspection hole or anything like that. It's like, where would I cut out an inspection hole to be able to gain access up into this this bathroom? There's really not much room to access that, is there? So I'll pull this. My next step is I'm going to pull this insulation out of here so I can look at this a little bit better. I was thinking maybe I could crawl through there over to here instead of cutting this out, but I'm not thinking I'm going to be able to do that very easily. I think more than likely I probably have to cut this 2x6, this double 2x6 out of here. Maybe just cut it in half. That way I can pull it up, pull it out, get it out of here, and gain the access through there, and see if I can't access everything that way. But next step is to get this insulation out of the way. I guess I'm pretty fortunate that I can actually kind of move around up here a little bit, crawling around. At least I don't have just 1.5 feet to work with here, right? That would be very bad. Oh. Okay. Looks like they've run this insulation. Oh no, there's a plate there. That should just stop right there. No, it doesn't. Of course not. Of course not. It pushes down through the wall. Good grief. I don't really think there's any rats up in here anymore, but you just never know, right? You just never know about things. Oh, good. Hey, okay. That fan, exhaust fan, is right over here. I thought it was over further. Huh. Okay, I see. They ran it through here and then they snaked and did like a U-shaped deal so that they could hook it in over here. That's good. I'm liking that, so I can kind of see what's going on with that. Let's just get this out of the way. See, they extended this insulation all the way down the wall. What they did. That's why I got my dust mask on, my gloves, my eye goggles, so forth and so on, because I'm getting all this stuff flying around up in here. There's a pine cone there, a little one. Okay. I'm wondering if I need to even take that off over there. Oh, I guess I could. It's cut, so I can roll that down, so I can see what's going on with this. Pull out a little bit of this insulation. Oh yeah, that would be really tough to get in there and crawl in there, because there's not very much room there at all. I'm still wondering how I would access that other ceiling. Wow. Okay. Okay. Just wondering what to do with this piece. It looks like it fell down from up above. I was trying to get that out of the way so I could show you what's going on up there, but wow. Okie dokie. Trying to push that up out of the way, okay. Okay. So I want to get my light. I want to set my light back up. I think I'll set my construction light closer in there and kind of show you what's going on. And man, okay, looks like looks like everything's connected okay. That's the first thing that grabs me.